Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, it is journal time. So I need you to get your October journal out, your crayons, and a pencil. And Mrs. Hensley has already written the date over here. Sorry about that, friends. Looks like we have another glare. I don't know how to get that glare off of there. I've tried messing with the lights and everything. So, October journal, crayons, pencil. Okay, friends, go to the next available page. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley wrote, I cleaned my house over a fall break. I'm going to the one after that, and I'm going to write my date neatly with my pencil. The date is up here, 10-22-20, October 22nd, 2020. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley is going to do the abbreviation of October today. Okay, so I have written my date. You may push pause if you would like. Okay, friends, Mrs. Hensley has an awesome sentence to write today. And guess what? It's about you guys. It's about you all. I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm going to start my sentence with the word my. My is a sight word. And so I'm going to spell that for you. But sight words are a little bit tricky, okay? Because we would think my would be M-I, but it's M-Y, okay? So sight words can be very tricky and they're hard to sound out. Now, my is not too difficult to sound out, but for the most part, they're usually hard to sound out, okay? So and my M on my has to start with an uppercase letter because that's the beginning of my sentence. So we always start a sentence with a beginning letter that is uppercase, okay? So I'm going to do my, oh, we're not going to be able to see that. Guess I'll write with blue. If not, if we can't see that, we'll write with black. Okay, my, M-Y, okay? My, and I'm going to say students. Oh, two finger spaces. S. St, t, t, t. Oh, T, right? T. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stud, stud, stud. Students. Okay, students. My students, and I'm going to say are. Are is a sight word, so Mrs. Hensley is going to spell that for us. My students are A-R-E. E. Okay, A-R-E. My students are awesome. Here we go. Aw, aw. What letter says aw? Short O sound. Os. S. Os. U. Awesome. M. M. Okay. My students are awesome. What do I need to do to end my sentence? I need to put a period, don't I? That ends my sentence. I'm done talking. So that was my pretend pencil, remember? Because we don't write with markers in our journal. So I'm going to write my finger space, students, finger space, are awesome. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley has written my students are awesome in my journal, okay, and the date. So you make sure that you're writing your words. Now, what kind of picture would Mrs. Hensley draw? I would need my students in the picture, right? because that's what I wrote about. My students are awesome. So I would need to draw my students in my picture, wouldn't I? And I might draw some background, pretending we're in our classroom, because next week, hopefully, we will be in our classroom, right? So I would draw some background of the classroom. You guys cannot write, my students are awesome, because you don't have students, right? You don't have students. So you can write other things, but whatever you write about is what you need to draw about, okay? I hope you do your best. Give me your best handwriting. Take your time. Remember to take a picture of your journal page when you're finished, a close-up so I can see the date, your picture, and your words. And then put it in Seesaw. You'll do the green add response button. Take a picture. And then I need a voice recording telling me what you wrote. Remember, what you wrote needs to match your picture, and what you draw needs to match your words, okay, your sentence, okay? I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your Thursday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.